Here's a 2011 Ram 1500. The ability to use tools separate humans from other animals. This Ram 1500 is a powerful one and will separate you from other humans. It comes with the features you need and, better yet, want. V8 engine, electronic shift on the fly, driver selectable mode, aluminum wheels, external memory control, power heated mirrors, manual tilting steering column, running boards, heavy-duty shocks, auto-dimming rearview mirror, and automatic transmission. Of the Ram 1500, Car and Driver proclaims Dodge changes the state-of-the-art and the rules in the full-size pickup game. Engineered to get things done. Engineered to be a Ram. See what it can do for you when you take it for a test drive.
We offer superior vehicles. Come and see for yourself. We are easy to find on 5520 South Shaver, 1/2 mile east of the Gulf Freeway, exit 34.